If you've been told to be careful or take it easy because of osteoporosis, I want you to hear this instead. The right movement can help support healthy bones, strengthen the muscles around them, and improve your balance. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. I'm going to show you 3 simple, doctor-friendly exercises that are safe, gentle, and designed specifically for women living with osteoporosis. No jumping, no complicated equipment, and if getting down onto the floor isn't comfortable for you, I'll show you exactly how to work around that too. We're counting down from number 3 to number 1. Stay with me until the end because exercise number 1 is one of the most commonly recommended functional movements in osteoporosis rehabilitation, and it trains something you do every single day. Let's begin. Before we begin, move slowly and stay within a comfortable range. If anything causes pain or dizziness, stop and rest. And as always, speak with your healthcare provider before beginning a new exercise routine. Osteoporosis doesn't only affect your bones, it also affects the muscles that support your bones and the balance you rely on every day. These 3 exercises help strengthen those muscles while practicing safe movement. Exercise number 3, hip extension. Stand behind a sturdy chair and lightly hold the back for balance. Stand tall with your feet about hip width apart. Now slowly lift your right leg straight behind you. Keep your knees straight. Try not to lean forward. Lift only as high as feels comfortable. Pause for 1 second. Now slowly lower your leg back down. Switch to the other side. Let's do 8 to 12 repetitions on each leg. Why it helps? Your glutes are some of the strongest muscles in your body. Keeping them strong helps you walk more confidently, climb stairs more easily, and recover if you lose your balance. Strong hips support better balance, and better balance helps reduce your risk of falls. Beautiful. Now let's move on to exercise number 2. This one strengthens your hips and lower back at the same time while gently loading the muscles around your hips and spine. Exercise number 2. Bridge. Lie comfortably on your back on a firm bed, exercise mat, or another stable surface. Bend both knees. Place your feet flat on the surface about hip width apart. Rest your arms comfortably beside you. Take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, gently tighten your stomach muscles. Now slowly lift your hips until your shoulders, hips, and knees form a comfortable straight line. Hold for 2 seconds. Now slowly lower back down. Repeat 8 to 12 times. Why it helps? The bridge strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core. These muscles help stabilize your hips and spine during everyday movement. Stronger muscles provide better support for your joints and help your body move with greater confidence. If getting onto the floor isn't comfortable today, that's perfectly okay. Continue practicing exercise number 3 until you feel ready. Everyone progresses at their own pace, 1 more to go, and I saved the best for last. Exercise number 1, chair stand. Place your chair against a wall so it cannot slide. Sit near the front of the chair with your feet flat on the floor. If you're comfortable, cross your arms over your chest. Lean slightly forward from your hips. Now press through your feet and slowly stand up. Pause for a moment, then slowly lower yourself back into the chair with control. Let's repeat that 8 to 12 times. Why it helps? Every time you stand up from a chair, your muscles and bones work together. Practicing this movement strengthens your legs, hips, and core, while improving balance and confidence. It also rehearses one of the most important movements of daily life, standing up safely. That's why chair stands are commonly included in exercise programs for older adults, including many people living with osteoporosis. The stronger this movement becomes, the easier everyday activities begin to feel. Standing up from a chair, getting off the toilet, getting out of the car. These small moments become easier, and that confidence carries into everything else you do. Beautiful work today. You just completed 3 gentle exercises that support stronger muscles, better balance, and healthier movement with osteoporosis. Here's your quick recap. Number 3, Hip extension, to strengthen your hips and improve balance. Number 2, bridge, to build your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core. Number 1, chair stand, one of the most important functional exercises for staying strong and independent. Try doing these exercises every other day. Stay consistent. Small improvements really do add up over time. And if you'd like even more gentle bone strengthening exercises, I'll be sharing another routine you can do entirely from a chair. No floor work required, so make sure you don't miss that one. If today's video helped you, I'd love for you to subscribe to Fit with Simplicity. Every week I share simple, safe, effective exercise routines created specifically for women over 60. No complicated workouts, no expensive equipment, just practical movements that help you stay strong, steady, and independent. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of today's 3 exercises felt the best for your body? I'd truly love to hear from you. I'm Grace. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. Keep moving gently, stay consistent, and remember, small movements done regularly can make a meaningful difference over time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.